Floridian. The Floridian. 348 and 314. That's all we'll see of it. Or not. I'm gonna make the smart move. Shoot. It's gonna just do whatever it wants. So, you gotta be very thoughtful. There we go, guys. Oh, it's got one of the new coaches. 250/46. Ooh, something happened with that dining car vent. Jackson. The Jackson dining car got oil or something sprayed over that. Got 62503 sweeper. It's got another, if this thing can hurry up and get out my way. Here. Out of the way. Trout River.